Good morning, my friends. I just woke up to rain for the first time on this trip, and I am very thankful that I invested in rain shields for my windows, because I'm at an RV campsite where I have power and I had to run my cord out the window to the plug-in, and if I didn't have these rain shields up, the rain would have gotten in my window and soaked my window cover all night long. But they're doing their job, and I want to show you why, if you are doing van life, you should invest in rain shields or some kind of cover that goes over the top of your window and keeps the rain from coming in, because I would be very soggy right now. Let me show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, it is raining. Look at this rain right there. That all would have been trying to come in my window. This here is a rain shield, and it is keeping my window from being wet on the inside while I had to run my cord. As you can see, it has kept the rain out all night long. It gives it kind of an awning so that the rain just slides right off and doesn't get inside of your van. You can see I was able to put my cord through the window and not get all of that rain inside my van. I got myself the WeatherTech covers for my Dodge Grand Caravan, and there is no special tool needed. You just literally pop them up into where it comes and meets there. Let me show you what I mean. So you can see when I roll down the window that I still have protection. So it just literally slides up and connects underneath there where the seal is for your window, and it just stays right there. You can roll up your window and it's all good. So one thing you do have to keep in mind, however, when you do have these rain shields, is that it's not a good idea to take your vehicle through a car wash where they've got the spinny things. I've heard some horror stories of folks who have invested in these and gone through a car wash only to have them ripped off and broken shortly after installing because the car wash grabbed them and pulled them right off. So you do want to make sure that you do a no-touch car wash if you are going to be using rain shields on your window. Yeah, that is something that I'm glad I learned before I tried it myself. I got my rain shields at Napa Auto Parts in Washington State. I got front windows and the 2 sliding windows covered for about, I think it cost me $200 for all 4, which is paying for itself, because I would be very wet right now and I don't like being cold and wet or having mold grow in my van. So think about it. That's all for this video. Just wanted to share a little bit about the rain guards, rain shield, whatever you want to call it, for your vans, because you're gonna want something to keep the rain out when you have your windows down for ventilation or fresh air, or if you are trying to run power like I am. It's one of the things I invested in first for my van before I decorated or got anything for inside. I wanted to make sure that I was protecting myself on the outside of the van so that everything that I invested in on the inside was not going to get ruined by rain. So yeah, there you have it. Rain shields. Thank you for following along and subscribing, coming along with me on this journey, and leaving me comments and saying hello. I love to hear from you. So please share your stories with me. You know who is excited about the rain? Lucy! I have named her Lucy because I really do like opening the door when I get inside and saying, Lucy, I'm home. She's actually really excited about the rain. You just can't tell. She's very reserved. But when we're not looking, she's dancing. And you know what time it is. Dance, 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 dance. Dancity, 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 dance. 'Cause it's raining. Stay weird, friends. Stay weird. And don't forget to water your plants.